Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on fitness with ClassPass, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on fitness with ClassPass, start by visiting the ClassPass website or downloading the app. Create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Once you're logged in, input your location to browse local fitness studios. Explore the various membership options available. Select a plan that suits your fitness needs and budget. Consider starting with a trial membership, which often offers discounted rates. Take note of promotional offers that may be available for new users. Browse the extensive list of classes, including yoga, Pilates, and cycling. Check for any free or discounted classes on the schedule. Use the filter options to narrow down your choices by fitness goals or class type. Book your first class directly through the platform. Arrive at the studio early to ensure you have enough time to check in. Bring necessary equipment, like a water bottle or towel, if required. After attending your class, provide feedback to help improve your experience. Take advantage of community events or workshops, often included in your membership. Monitor your usage to see how many classes you attend each month. If you find a particular studio you love, consider checking for any partnership discounts or promotions. Stay informed about ClassPass deals through email newsletters or in-app notifications. Adjust your membership plan periodically based on your changing fitness routine. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings while enjoying diverse fitness classes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.